Clean and maintain your Tineco Floor One S5 Extreme Floor Washer after each use to keep it running smoothly. Let's get it done. First, power it off before maintenance. Wipe down the exterior with a clean, dry cloth. If the loop was red when powered on, clean the dirt sensor with a damp cloth or the included tool. Remove the dirty water tank, lid, and filter. Dispose of the dirty water, rinse the parts, dry them, and reassemble. Rinse the dry filter from the dirty water tank lid. Don't reinstall it wet. Use the extra dry filter and place the other in the charging base to dry. When docking the machine, it'll check if a self-cleaning cycle is needed. Make sure the machine has over 10% charge and the clean water tank is over 40% full. Press the self-cleaning button. Once done, empty and clean the dirty water tank. Remove the brush roller cover by squeezing the latches and pulling up. Rinse and dry the cover. Remove and clean the brush roller, then rinse it. Let it dry in the accessory holder. Install a clean brush roller, replace the cover, and dock the Floor One S5 Extreme, and it's ready to use.